Hey spooky cuties, welcome back to the channel. We've got another unboxing and it's a very exciting one. We've got the final box in our Gothic Stationery Company subscription. Now I've been waiting a little while for this one and I believe this was meant to be July's box, but they had an issue with one of the products and I waited for it because it is a very exciting box. And it's all about Whitby, so let's get into it. So Whitby is a gorgeous town in the northeast of England that has real ties with Bram Stoker and Dracula, and every year, twice a year, once near Halloween and once sort of April time-ish, goths descend on Whitby and it's just amazing. It's a photographer's dream. People dress to the nines, like it is amazing. I'm hoping to go for the weekend in April next year, so I'm so very excited about this. I spent a lot of time as a kid in Whitby and it's just a lovely, lovely town. If you've been to York, it's got very York vibes, Chambly vibes. It's just wonderful. So I believe this box is all about Whitby, so let's get into it. So here we are, we have our usual little greeting card which says eternally grateful, and in here is a bit of a giveaway if you share a video, which I am obviously doing. Hello, hi, here I am. So let's put that. If you're new here, we do not look at the contents until we've got to the end, just to double check we've got everything. But this time around we've got a little note from Gemma and Andy. Basically they are saying how incredibly grateful they are with our patience of waiting for this box. Now I was not gonna cancel this box, I was really excited about it, but they have experienced so many delays with items stuck in customs, and Gemma being poorly and unable to draw during pregnancy, unfortunately they lost their son, which has undoubtedly thrown their world upside down. So they aren't in the habit of making excuses, but I think these are quite valid and we're totally okay with that. And honestly I probably would have waited up to a year for this box. I was so very excited about it. They said if they're not happy they will accept returns for full refund. I doubt that's going to be the case, but yeah, thank you for your patience. Gemma, Andy, I am so on board with your company. This is my 6th or 7th or 8th box now and I absolutely love all of this. Massive stationery freak, a massive goth, so I really love this. Would have waited forever for it, but thank you for acknowledging that. So let's put our table of contents to one side and let's get into I don't know if you guys just saw, but I just saw this little guy. Oh, he's so cute. And oh, I was gonna say it was a pencil, but it's a pen. Amazing. Ooh. Now let's check what colour this is. Yes. It's black. I am always so very upset when I get a cute little goth pen and it's blue. I have one from another box company that I had, I think they were called Box of Goth, and it's a really cute back pen and it's blue, so very glad that this is black. Love that. Next thing on in our box, should I say, is this. Let's get this open. So in here we have some little notelets and these are super cute. Little bats in a belfry. with some black envelopes. I'm gonna have to start writing snail mail again, honestly. I've got so many cute little notelets from this company. I'm gonna have to start writing my friends snail mail. Next we have, if you're also new here, you will not know, but if you've watched my videos before, you know that I really love these bags for some reason. They just make me really happy. So in here, wow, we have a gorgeous sticker that says Whitby on it, and it's got a little ghosty. It's very cute. It's got the Abbey in the background and a little bat. That is super, super cute. Love that. Next we have another one of my favourite little black stripy bags. Oh, struggling here. There we go. And in this we have the Whitby Gazette. And this is a lined notepad. I love this. Looks like an oldie worldy newspaper. Oh wow, this is so cool. So you can get fortunes, Dracula's bloodletting, Frank Sutcliffe, Skinner Street, Whitby, artist photographer. Love this. So Whitby Jet, I actually have a lot of Whitby Jet. I'm not quite sure this one is actual Whitby Jet, but I do have quite a lot of actual Whitby Jet from Whitby, of necklaces that I've had quite a while. Love this, it's super cute, and it's got the Gothic Stationery pen nib on the inside. Love that, that's so cute. Also, I should ban myself from saying the word cute, I use it far too much, but things are cute, you know? And then we have some little postcards. Let's see if they're all the same. Oh no, they're not. So we have the Abbey with some little ghosties on holiday, taking some pictures. One of them's got a little backpack. I love that. Then we've got little ghosties going for an afternoon tea at the White Horse and Griffin. We've got the classic Magpie Cafe. If you've never been to Whitby, this is a staple visit for some good food. We have Young's the jeweller, little ghosty using his bag for life. Love that, bag for afterlife. And then we have little Dracula ghosty stood outside the Dracula Museum. Very, very cute. Love this. Oh, honestly, I knew I was going to be excited for this box, but this is just so great. Then we have come on, come. Oh, come on. Wow. That's an experience. Then we, oh, it's upside down. Then we have a little notepad with a little werewolf on it and a ship. I'm running out of room to put things in shot. Next we have, oh, next we have a little set of notelets on grey card with the Whitby Abbey, so wonderfully stamped in the bottom corner. Maybe if I do end up going to Whitby next year, I will take some of these with me and post them from Whitby. I think that'd be quite cool. And last, oh no, it's not last. Okay, so second to last, we have some wrapping paper with tags, and this is Whitby Abbey on there. Love that. I know exactly who's getting a present wrapped in this because they will appreciate it. And last, but by no means least, we have a gorgeous print of some of Whitby's finest landmarks. So all the things that were on the postcards, we've got Young's, the Magpie Cafe, Dracula, the Abbey, and White Horse and Griffin. That is really beautiful, and I think I have a frame ready for this that it would look really nice in. So let's do what we normally do, swipe this out the way, get the list out and check we got everything. If you haven't seen one of these unboxings before, the Gothic Stationery Company has 3 levels of box that you can get. So they have a midi, a maxi and a monster. If you get a maxi, you get also the midi box plus the maxi, and if you get a monster, you get midi, maxi and monster. So I have a monster subscription, and let's go through. So the midi box would have had a postcard set, and yep, so the midi box would have had a postcard set. We absolutely do have that. Then a paper sticker, which is this very cute picture of Whitby. A writing set, we do indeed, which is Bats in a Belfry. A pen, this little guy, and an A6 pad, which is this one. Then if you get the maxi, you get a foiled note card set, which is this one. And you get an A4 print, which is this one. Then onto the monster box, which is what I have. You would have an A5 notebook. We have our oldie worldy newspaper and some gift wrap, which is this one. Amazing! So we got everything in our box this time around, and I have to say this is one of my favourites. I absolutely adore Whitby. It's so synonymous with the goth culture. I think this was such a great collab of a box. It's so good. Now onto my favourite piece. It's actually going to be quite hard, but I think it's going to be the print. I love the postcards because they have the same print on here, and I also love the sticker because it's very similar, but I am in love with this little print. I think it's so cute, it's so spooky. Yeah, I absolutely adore this. So let me know which item was your favourite from this box, and let me know if you've bought anything from the Gothic Stationery Company. As always, I'll link all of their socials and their website down below so you can have a look, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!